Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay, so we are going to start our program. So this is the AM Foundation. We all know that we have already spent our 5 months here. So you can see there are so many audience are there. So we'll discuss about what they have learned from there and how kind of a language is very necessary in this world. So first, I would like to start. Mr. Sajjad will say something. Yes, come on.
Today great opportunity in this class. When I joined in this class, I cannot speak a lot of, but I enjoyed now, and I can lot of English. Today we have got an opportunity to learning speaking English and develop language skills. There are many students come here from English speaking. I hope I will speaking as soon as possible there in that program. Is that platform by Sunny Pathak sir, and Sunny Pathak sir is very good facilitator. Thank you. That's it.
Please clap for him. And I admire, he tries, he always tries to speak something, but he admires me, but I'm nothing because I am nothing without them. They are the people, they believe at me, they trust at me because, we are just channelized because I'm also not the teacher, I'm the facilitator here, and that means I am just trying to create the good environment. There is another person who is also in a improved lot, so none of other than, Avinash. Avinash, I would like to say, please say something about yourself.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I said that I am feeling present on FCC class. So I am busy. Will be coming first time in FCC class. So my doubt is very not clear. But I come in the FCC class. So people is mention other people other topic. So I am slowly is my slowly is my doubt is clear. So thank you very much. FCC class. Thank you.
That's great. Okay, clap for Avinash. He's a wonderful person. He has a great courage to speak, and he always motivate to other person. Look at when he came first time. So he could not translate a single sentence. He could not put up a. Right now, he always tries to motivate and could everything could in a proper way. So there are so many people. One is Miss Gayatri. Miss Gayatri will speak something. Miss Gayatri.
Good morning, everyone. I want to say something. This NGO and this NGO facilitates Mr. Sunny Pathak. When I come this NGO, when I feel very nervous because I want to say something in a front of you, then I hesitate because I know about this knowledge, but first time I want to say about anyone in front of anyone. So, but Sunny Pathak is how to learn English language. So many activities create and do something any work. That's it. Thank you.
That's great. Okay. Please. One of the another person. Okay, he was very busy due to some work, but he maintained here and he believed his sample. On the other hand, he could not come here, but after 1 month he came. So I want, please, he may say something about it, about himself or about the class when he missed the class. So how did he miss? So none of other Rinku. Rinku would like to speak. Come on, Rinku.
First of all, I want to say that English is a much language of human beings, and when I come, when I come in, I'm on
EM Foundation.
AM Foundation. So I.
It's okay. I think Rinku is okay. Will say something. So I would like to. Come on, ma'am. Why don't you think to add something? Come on, please.
Good morning, all of you. Today, I would like to say something about this NGO. This NGO is very good for us because when I joined this NGO, from that time I very improved my English, and those people want to learn English, so I want to give advice them they should join this NGO because this NGO good for us and
That's great, wonderful. Okay,
and whenever I confuse and I do not talk in English, so Sunny sir is very help me, always help me, and that's it.
That's great. Okay, one of the interesting person to all of us, okay, in among of us. So I want, please, he may say something, and he's a very creative, very energetic, none of other than Anil. Come on, Anil.
Good morning, all of you.
Sorry.
Today I got an opportunity to speak about my wonderful NGO. This NGO is very well for me, and I will come regularly in this NGO and improve my spoken English and communication skills also. That's it.
That's great. Okay, that's good. Clap for Anil also. And there are some people, they are new. So one of the Priyanka, why don't you introduce yourself? Please introduce about yourself.
Hi, my name is Priyanka. I live in Madhuviyar. I read in 12th class.
I want to learn again.
That's great. Okay, wonderful. Okay, please. Nutan Jha, please. Why don't you say something? Come on, Nutan, introduce yourself. Yes.
My name is Sudanja. I live in Madhuviyar.
I read in
I like that.
my favorite hobby, whatever. Go yeah.
Okay, that's great. No, not bad. Okay, yes, some people they speak little less, but they all are trying to be speak something. Anyone would like to add something? Anyone is there who would like to add something?
Vishnu bhaiya.
Okay. So yes, Vishnu and Saida. Oh, Vishnu. Come on, Vishnu. Yes.
Thanks, sir, calling to me. Today topic is about parents, teacher, and introduction. This is a great opportunity for me. This is
Take interest.
first time I came to this NGOs. I'm not comfortable, and I'm shocked see faculty and facilities, and I'm not comfortable first times, and encourage me Sunny sir and come regularly and basic skills. I'm not
Yes. And you participate something.
Thank you.
Okay, that's great. Not bad. Okay, please clap for it. Okay, yeah, Pawan would like to say something. Come on.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Pawan. I live at Madhuviyar. I am joined in an FEC center. I am sometimes because I am very improved English, and my best teachers and Sunny sir, and I am very helpful person, and sometimes very improved, and that's it.
Okay, that's great. Okay. So yes, one more thing. Okay. Yes, there is a one. Okay, most of the people they still want to be. They are very hungry to be speak. So first, okay, I will definitely come to you. But one person who is there, he is a new. He is also appetite to introduce yourself. Come on, look at there.
Hey guys, my name is Deepak. I'm a new in class. Today is my first day, and I'm enjoying very much. Thanks so much.
That's great. Okay, are you enjoying today? Are you
Yeah.
enjoying today?
Yes, I'm enjoying.
Okay, what have you learned? You have already covered your one hour all those things. What have you realized there in this NGO?
I learned that you are speaking English. You are learn with laptops and learn with Blackboard. I like this all settlement, whatever you doing.
Okay,
Thanks so much.
that's great. So have you ever joined or seen such an organization ever in your life, or maybe what kind of a comparison you are finding there? Because you have a good voice. I'm finding this.
I don't think so that I have a good voice, but thank you so much. Sorry, I don't get what I'm saying.
Okay, no, I'm just finding. Have you seen something is different in this NGO?
Yeah, most things were different, like particular laptops, like you see, you have doing a great
Great opportunity, most of the people, okay. Okay, what about the people? What about the people? Do you like these people?
Yeah.
Liking is the means that do they participate or what? When the liking means this.
Yeah, I saw all of them, all of their guys. He was just very much in very good English. I saw that all of you.
That's great. Okay, anyone who wants to say? Yes. Okay, yes.
You know what? My name is Mr. Mohammad Sajjad Khan. I want to say, so all of the student, we should English lot of, because English is the most important language for find any kind of job and at place and town. And English is the most important language. English is a rich language. English is the most language. English is a common language. And without English is
कब पास भैया
without English